Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we're going to learn a simple yet powerful technique to enhance your video quality using the Sharpen effect. This effect helps improve the sharpness and clarity of your images and videos by enhancing the contrast along edges and fine details. Let's break it down into two easy steps. First, we'll head over to the Effects panel and select the Sharpen effect. Simply drag and drop it to the video. Within this effect, you'll have control over the sharpen amount. You can adjust this setting until you're satisfied with the level of sharpness in your video. If you use too much sharpening, you might notice some unwanted white spots appearing in your video. But don't worry, we have a solution for that. To fix those white spots, go back to the Effects panel, but this time, we'll select the Unsharp Mask effect. Set the amount to around 50 and the radius to 25. This adjustment will help eliminate those distracting white borders and give your video a clean and sharp look. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to enhance your video quality using the Sharpen and Unsharp mask effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more video editing tips and tricks.